Hey guys, check out this really awesome kids foam climbing set. This is a 6-piece set, and the middle part here that I have is actually a ball pit, which is awesome. So there's so many different things you can do with this. This is amazing for indoors, for little kids who are learning to climb, learning to crawl all around. They want to climb on top of your chairs, everything like that. This gives them a nice safe space to do that. So this comes with really cool pieces. They come with like little pieces like this that look like steps for them to use. Has two pieces like that. It has the ball pit. It has this piece up front here, which my kids love this because they turn this into like a little chair. And this actually folds up like that to become a block. And then it comes with two little ramp pieces. Each piece unzips so you can see the foam inside. It's a nice dense foam, and you can just go ahead and toss these right in the wash and the dryer if you need to wash them and clean them up a little bit. The material is super soft, so it's going to be nice for your kids to climb on. It's going to be nice and soft for them. This also does come with a pack of Velcro patches that you can go ahead and place on the block. So if you want to kind of stick them together, like say you have these two right here, but you want them to stay together for your kids, you can just Velcro those right together, which is an awesome touch too. So when you are ready to go ahead and store them away for the night, they all fit nice right inside the big ball pit. I absolutely love this as a parent, especially in the winter time when your kids are inside, they need something to do, need to get out that energy. This is an awesome toy for them to have. So if you're looking for a great foam block set for your younger kids, this one right here is a great option. Thanks for watching.